One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into one night.
And they gonna show you outside. I don't want
that door is opening once again, this time. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. And friendly word of warning.
Pretty cool.
Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you're checking into a deserted hotel in Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Let me see if they just dropped this right now.